know you with their friends, girl, you got it.
Hey guys, let's touch up my micro-shaded eyebrows. So this is the brand I use. It's called PMU. This right here is the charging adapter and all the cords that attach the control panel and the pen together. So the missing pieces are actually the control panel and the pen because I put them on the charger. So this pink box is the cartridge needles that I use to put the pigment on my brows and like get it really in there. Something like a tattoo, so that's why we use needles. So yeah, this is just the layout of everything I'm going to use besides the gloves. I didn't put the gloves here. But yeah, we're going to go through one by one. So this is, this green stuff is called green soap. I just diluted it with water. If you have tattoos, you should know tattoo artists use green soap to clean the area when it's done. Same thing applies. I got the little nozzle from Amazon, if you guys are wondering. Now, this is the Permablend pigment in the shade Ebony from Tina Davies. I use this because I feel like this is the best option for me. And it gives me a really good pigment. I'm not sure what this is called. I'm going to call it a spoolie. I use this to put the pigment on the brow when everything's done, just to really get it to set in there. This right here is an eyelash brush. I use this to brush out my eyebrows when I'm finished and to get the A&D ointment coated really well inside of my brow. This little cup thing is where I put the pigment to tattoo it, you know, to dibble and dabble. This right here is the needle. You see it's sealed. It comes sterile. If it's open, do not use it. Point blank, period. Of course, I have the A&D ointment because it is like a tattoo, so I'm going to have to put A&D ointment on after I'm done. This is just the instruction manual that comes with the box, but I know what I'm doing, so we don't really need that. So yeah, so the darker side is the side that I actually finished, opposed to the other side where I didn't even touch it. So you see how it's like look kind of black? That's what I mean when I take the purple spoolie and apply it on to like get it, you know, saturated. Now this is, I wiped it off. Now this is the finished product, how it would look when you wipe off the pigment from looking like that. Okay, so I'm gonna wipe this off, show you guys how it looks, you know, when everything's wiped off and finished, basically. So these are the finished products. I'm just combing through my brows to make sure that I didn't miss anywhere. I got all the pigment everywhere I needed it to be. And yeah, just, you know, double checking if I needed to go back in. But everything was good, so I'm gonna just put some A&D ointment on it and then continue to brush it until I feel like I saturated my brows with the A&D ointment. Yeah, so the finished product, just, you know, brushing through, saturating them with the A&D ointment. Let me know if you guys want me to actually sit and do one, like show you step by step. I haven't done my brows like this in a minute, so, you know. But yeah, everything's done. This is the finished product. Tell me what you think. Bye.